Nandito kami ngayon sa Utrecht Central. So we were going to Paris this midnight, 12:30. From here, we take the bus for about 9 hours going to Paris. Ito yung sasakyan namin papuntang Paris. Kami malapit sa CR, toilet and door. Ito yung passengers na kasama ko. And papuntang Paris.
They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together.
Hello guys, we are about entering this Disneyland. So, papasok na tayo ngayon sa main entrance ng Disneyland, first stop of Paris. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sa labas. Guys, malapit na tayo. Disneyland Paris. So, welcome to Disneyland Paris. Ayan, ito po yung main entrance nila. So, ang ganda dito, sobra. Pasok na kami ngayon sa Disneyland. Ito yung first na nakita namin na bubungad sa aming World of Disney. So,
standing there with the fountain, a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace. Breathe in the air.
Once upon a time, a few mistakes ago, I was in your sights. You got me alone. You found me.
So,